Wake up. Wake up.
I wake up at 6 a.m. every morning. I wake up at 6 a.m. every morning.
Brush teeth. Brush teeth.
She brushes her teeth after breakfast. She brushes her teeth after breakfast.
Take a shower. Take a shower.
He takes a shower in the evening. He takes a shower in the evening.
Get dressed. Get dressed.
I get dressed quickly after showering. I get dressed quickly after showering.
Have breakfast. Have breakfast.
They have breakfast together every day. They have breakfast together every day.
Go to work. Go to work.
She goes to work by bus. She goes to work by bus.
Study. Study.
He studies English every evening. He studies English every evening.
Have lunch. Have lunch.
We have lunch at noon. We have lunch at noon.
Exercise. Exercise.
I exercise 3 times a week. I exercise 3 times a week.
Read a book. Read a book.
She reads a book before bed. She reads a book before bed.